Hello, everyone. My name is Alexis Lett, and I'm excited to be embarking on the continuation of the MSW program. I'm very excited to be closer to the end of this program, which I'm sure many of you all are as well. So I look forward to hearing your feedback, hearing about your different experiences, and being able to share ideas with one another in reference to social work and as well as the program and placements. I am currently completing my field placement at a mental health and substance abuse counseling center. Some of the services that they provide are Suboxone treatment classes, and that is held as a group, as well as DWI classes. They provide mental health therapy, individual therapy, medication management for those that have substance and alcohol substance abuse issues or concerns. They also provide free tobacco quitting courses, and so it's very diverse. It also services, it's a bilingual agency, so that's very rare for our population. And that introduces me to something different and diversity, really, of my community, knowing how to serve those that are not from the same background as myself. So, right now, I'm really learning a lot with mental health and substance abuse, how the correlation between the two, how do you work with that population as well as other populations. So again, it's a great learning experience. The question of why I chose this course as an elective is primarily because prior to becoming a social worker, I'm a social worker at social service in the adult service department. However, prior to that, I was a long-term care Medicaid caseworker, and although I worked for social service, I was contracted to work in a hospital. So that introduced me to a different setting. I was working with the coordination of care social workers, nurse practitioners, as well as the director. And so, again, that just introduced me to another role of social workers that I was not aware of. Unfortunately, I didn't have a lot of knowledge of the diversity of a social worker, so I limited it to the social service agency and child protective service and different things like that. So really I began to learn that there are so many things that you can do with social work, and it's so broad. And so I just became interested in the role of social worker in the medical setting. And so again, I'm hoping that this class will provide me with more information of what that role actually looks like, how social work is an asset to the medical field, and how all of the different disciplines work together to accomplish the same goal for citizens in the community. So again, I'm looking forward to you all's feedback, sharing some different ideas, as well as actually accomplishing some of those expectations for this course. I hope you all enjoy. I look forward to hearing, seeing, and listening to you all's introductions. Have a great day.